You can look down on the track. You can get out of the way.